I went to Tarragona to film one of the Spanish partners of the consortium. The role of the scientists here is to build the nanotubes from Belgium and Luxembourg into real devices that will react to gases. And over the 3 years of the project, to test how good their latest nanotubes are proving to be.
Welcome to the University Rovira i Virgili, the public university of Tarragona.
How does it begin here at this university?
Okay, we have started already some work because we got nanotubes from Belgium with gold and silver clusters attached to the walls, and we have already produced the first sensors based on this material, and we have some preliminary results. So we have tested that they respond to NO2, for example, and we have also tested their sensitivity towards benzene.
How is it that the detector will select benzene but not produce a signal to other gases around? What's the theory behind the idea that it will detect benzene but not the other gases?
Well, the idea is that by carefully selecting the metal that will decorate the nanotubes. Actually, these tiny metal nanoparticles will work as catalyzers, and we have to tune the selectivity of this catalyzer toward benzene. This doesn't mean that we'll end up having a sensor that is perfectly selective for benzene, but well, we know the environment, so where benzene will be produced, and we'll know what will be the other interference species. So what we'll do is just making the sensor enough or selective enough for this particular application. But this doesn't mean that the sensor won't respond to any other gas. So this is well, it's very difficult. I mean, making a sensor completely selective for benzene, I don't foresee that this will be possible. So we have two researchers more involved here in the project. One is a postdoc. His name is Radu Ionescu. He's from Romania. And the other one, the PhD student, his name is Radouan Legrip, and he comes from Morocco. What they will show is how sensors are actually produced. So I guess that you'll see how the drop coating method is employed to coat the comb electrodes.
The nanotubes are made into a paste, and that is spread thinly onto some electrodes that are printed on a small square of plastic. And with electric leads attached, their resistance can be measured. They're put into a small, carefully controlled chamber, 6 or so of them at a time. And when all is settled down, a small amount of benzene gas, or whatever it is being tested, is taken from its bottle and injected into the chamber. The resistance change are the nanotubes reacting to the gases.
This will be the equipment that is going to be used throughout the project. What kind of person? I think that, well, I like very much doing research, this is true, and I don't have a lot of time during the week to be at home. Apart from that, I also like doing sports, and in particular I'm very keen on skiing and walking in the mountain, doing some climbing, go jogging at least 2-3 times a week. So I keep fit for what I like, that is going to the mountains and all of this.
How old are you, by the way?
I'm 39,
39.
And I'll be 39 at the time I'm getting married.
Okay. Tell me why you stayed single so long and why you're getting married now.
Well, it's a combination of not finding the appropriate person and working hard and finding excuses. So it's a mixture of everything of this. So.
Do you think it'll change your life?
Yes, for sure. I mean, it's normal. I'm 39. I cannot wait longer since I try to have children. So I don't think that getting married will make a very, very strong change in my life. I think that when I have the first child, this will make really a significant change in my life.
How have your parents reacted to your decision to get married?
Very well, very well. In fact, I don't know how to translate this in English, but what my father said is it was time to get married.